Good morning, students of class 2. We have come back to our moral science class. Due to some unavoidable reason, I have to take the video class today. Okay, we have already completed chapters 6 and 8 for our annual term. Today I am going to start chapter 9. Myra learns some rules. Yes, there are some rules in everywhere. In the playground, the park, at home, at school, we have to follow some rules. So, what is written in this chapter? There are some rules we follow every day. Rules let everyone know how to behave. Good behavior makes everyone happy. So, we all need to follow some basic rules of behavior. Good behavior helps us get what we want while respecting the need of others. Okay. The chapter opens with the story. Myra's class wanted to have fun today. This is the picture of a Myra's class. That day they want to have fun. The teacher said, "Let's play a game. I will tell the rules of the game." The children did not look happy. They did not. The children did not look happy because they did not want rule. Rule, we don't like rules. We just want to have fun, they said. The teacher smiled. Rules can be fun. Teacher also add that rule may be fun. We cannot play a game without rule. So every play or every game has a rule. Can we play cricket without knowing the rules? Do you know that we have some rules at home, in school, and on the road? I think everybody knows that there are some rules at home, at school, and on the road. You have to follow the rules, otherwise we'll be in problem. We will be in problem. Why are there some rules? Asked Myra. The teacher explained, rules are good for us. These are good for us. They let everyone know how to behave when we behave well. How to behave in everywhere. If when we behave well, we get along well with others. This makes us all happy. So if we be good in our behavior, we also get some good in return, and this make us happy. The teacher asked Myra to write some rules to be followed every day. The teacher gave some rules to follow every day, which will be followed by the students every day. What are the rules? At home, when my parents ask me to do something, I do it with a smile. First rule is, if my parents tell anything to do me, I have to do it with smile. I listen when others speaks. The second rule is for the second rule for at home is, if you, I have to listen when others speaks. When others are talking, I have to listen their words. I take on my plate only as much food as I can eat. If there are some good food, I like them very much, I will take a plate and take a heap. It will not good. I have to take food as much as I can eat. Don't waste the food. I do not speak when I have food in my mouth. We should not speak when there is food in our mouth. I do not eat in bed unless I am ill. Only when anyone is ill, then he or she will take food in bed. Otherwise, they have to take their food in proper place. At school, I run and play in the playground. In school, I have to play in the playground. There we can run also. We should not run in the corridor. I try not to talk to friends when class is on. When during the class During the class period, we should not talk with our friends. Talk to our friends. I listen when others speaks. We have to listen what the teachers and others are telling in the class. I stand in a line if I have to. Yes, during the prayer time, I have to stand. We have to stand in the line. If I must break the line, I'll say, "Excuse me." If there is any problem or there is a need, sometimes we break the line. Then I have to say, "Excuse me." I finish the food my mother gives me. I have to finish our tiffin during the tiffin period. In the park, what are the rules we have to follow in the park? I take care that my ball and bat do not hurt anyone. I should not hurt anybody with my ball and bat. I'll try my best. I wait for my turn on the swing. We should wait for the turn on the swing. I do not walk or run on the flowers. In the park, there are some plants and flowers, maybe. We should not walk on them. I let younger children play on the swing. If anybody is younger than me in the park, I will allow them to play on the swing first. Then I will use it. I do not whisper about a friend or someone nearby. Yes, some children has an habit. They will trying to say something secretly to another one in front of all. It is very bad. We should not do this. So we should not whisper or whispering in front of others. If I have to say something secretly, I will tell them to come in a secret place and then I will tell them. But better not to behave in such a way. Okay, all friends are friends. You have to you behave with all in the same manner. So I've learned many things from this chapter, and we have to remember these things properly. Okay, so we should not try to we should not do anything that breaks the rule. So without rule, our life is like a ship which has no rudder. Okay, thank you for today.